So children, you can see this is a compass and this is the north, south, east, west. And as you can see that in this northeast, southeast, southwest and northwest are marked, and then they have been bisected further. And so actually total 16 directions can be seen over here. And the needle right now is pointing towards the right. So this is the actual north. So if I want to use this compass for reading, I will keep rotating it till the needle is aligned with the direction of north. Okay, now with the help of this, I will be able to do further reading and I will be able to know in which direction I am going. So if I have to turn backwards and I start moving with the compass, the needle will rotate in whichever direction it will be, the person will be moving. Okay, so this is your compass. Now you don't need this compass actually, since you're only using 8 directions. Therefore, for identifying any two places that are there in a map, let's first do it on a sheet of paper and then we will see it on a map. So let's say there is one place A here and another place B over here. And the question says give the compass direction of A from B. Now, when you get the question, read it carefully so that you can identify the place where it says from. Give the compass direction of A from B, because you have to now imagine that you are standing over here at B. My question says give the compass direction of A from B. So now I am standing here and the compass that we have made, this compass rose that we have made, the center point of this will now be here where I am standing. And from here I will now draw the line towards A, and this line matches this line. That means the angle or the direction of A from B is towards northwest. This is how you will get simple questions for answering in your survey maps. Let's see in your map. You have the settlement Jagol over here, and we can see another settlement over here which is Odha. Now the question can give the compass direction of Jagol from Odha. Give the compass direction of Jagol from Odha. That means I am standing over here and now I will join this with a straight line. Now when I draw a straight line over here, from here, children, if I put my pencil like this side is north and this side is south. If I put my pencil like this horizontally, this is west and this end is east. Now if you see Odha and Jagol, whereas if I make a 45-degree angle, then I get this line which is going to go towards southwest. Isn't it so? Now Jagol, if I make a line horizontally from Odha, this is towards west and this is Jagol. If I make it at a 45-degree angle from Odha, then this goes to the southwest. Now Jagol was closer to the line coming to the west, or is it closer to the line going to the southwest? This is what I have to see, and obviously it is just lying next to this line, whereas if I make it towards southwest, it is so far away. That means my answer for Jagol from Odha will be west. But if I had taken, for example, this particular place, Velavas, give the compass direction of Velavas from Odha. Now when I am standing at Odha and I am looking at Velavas, my line is going towards the side. Southwest will be slightly more this way, and therefore this particular settlement, Velavas, is lying towards the southwest from Odha. In this manner, children, you will be looking at, if I take these two places, Dhaneri and Velavas, and let's say I ask you, give the compass direction of Velavas from Dhaneri. Now this is north and this is northeast. Obviously, my answer is going to be northeast. From Dhaneri, the direction of Velavas is the northeast. So, in this manner, you will be given questions for identifying the direction, compass, direction of places.